and welcome to HLH. I am Stella. 3D printing is one of technology solutions in our company. This is a room to show our 3D printing parts. They were made by SLA, SLS, FDM, MJP, and MJF. SLS is a selective laser sintering process. Manufacturers and engineers usually choose it because it's high productivity, high throughput, cheap unit price. Meanwhile, they don't have much design restrictions for its structure designing. Most additive manufacturing processes, such as SLA and FDM, require specialized support structures to fabricate designs with overhanging features. SLS does not require support structures because unsintered powder surrounds the parts during printing. SLS printing can produce previously impossible complex geometries, such as interlocking or moving parts, parts with interior components or channels, and other highly complex designs. In my hand, this is a printed part by SLS. Do you want to know how was it printed? Here we go! With our low-volume manufacturing services, we can provide you thousands of mass-produced parts. We can help you to put them into market fast and make sure you are competitive in a rapidly changing market. At HLH, we work for every step with you, from the prototype designing to production. Once you are ready to get a start of a new project this time, please contact with our team and upload the 3D files to following email, and we will share you a free quotation. HLH, we make things for you.